Eller is a school that is at the intersection of technology and business. And that kind of a technical mindset, along with the business or organizational impact, is what you're going to get in this MSBA program. It allows our students to have an impact in accounting, finance, marketing, and other domains, which may not often have the analytics focus at all. This program at Chandler is designed such that we meet very less frequently, but more intensive. It helps you connect with your schedule, connect with companies, and opportunities for you to have some real-world experience as well.
You're gonna get the same content that you get in Tucson, just delivered in more of what we call kind of an executive format. The longer you're in the program, the more flexibility you get, because we like to lay a really solid foundation, and then you get to kind of choose what avenue you want to take that foundation down. Everyone in the summer takes our online classes, which starts with foundational statistics, foundational Python, and foundational database, which is mainly SQL. Those are 3 skills that any business/data analyst has to have. Then in the fall, again, we kind of lay a really solid foundation with our advanced econometrics and analytics, and then data mining for business intelligence.
We update our stuff pretty much every year. I have to go through and learn the latest Python commands to teach you, and I'll do that this summer. We're trying very much to balance the classic tools as well as this year's hot stuff. In particular, the Chandler cohort is really useful because you're going to learn the other students that are here. And students have different strengths. Some people are better at presentation. Some people are better at computing. Some people are better at making PowerPoints. That's something I find really impressive, that the cohort model helps you learn how to deal with people in the best way.
There are a lot of resources, momentum behind making sure we're building a quality program on a distant campus. And you have a full team here that's growing to support current students, graduated students, alumni, especially in the Chandler area, right? You can't look at the news around Arizona and not see something about Chandler being the innovative hub, the tech hub. There's healthcare, there's manufacturing, there's chip development. There's so much excitement here that needs a lot of data skill, and we're providing it, which is a great opportunity for us.
Here at Eller, we have a quite robust professional development team. I'm responsible for helping the students to prepare for the job market. So that involves helping them to write a good resume and cover letter. We work on their elevator pitch and why that's important. To see them blossom over time has been a wonderful experience.
The resources and everything that have been provided to us by the professional development team have been awesome. They have been there every step of the way, be it anything, and you can count on them. Anyone who is considering Eller Master of Science in Business Analytics at Chandler, I think if you are committed to it, if you want to do it, please don't be shy, just hop on. This train ride is going to be amazing.